Hi, Muscle Car Restorations here. We wanted to show you how we keep our customer updated through the Micurato app. Here we have a 1963 split window Corvette, and the customer has shared his car on the application with us as a curator. Let me log in. So from the top, I'll go to Curator. I'll find our customer. Scroll down to the 63 split window Corvette. Here it is. And now from the bottom right, I'll choose the plus icon here and add a new maintenance record. For this type, we're going to do a restoration maintenance record. Now from here, I'll pick today's date. I'll set 0 for an amount for now. And now I'll click Add Media, where I can take a picture or a video. I'll use the camera to take a photo. It's already tagged with a restoration type. I'll choose Done. Now I'll press Save. And now I'll use the microphone here to transcribe a note for the restoration record. Today we are spraying base coat and clear coat on the 63 split window. So you can see it entered the note. Now I'll click Save. And the new maintenance record has been added, and our customers should have already been notified. That's how it works.